How to turn off VoiceOver on iPhone? On iPhone, this screen reading feature is called VoiceOver. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it off. The quickest way is to triple-click the side button. If VoiceOver is enabled, press the side button 3 times quickly. If you have an iPhone with a home button, triple-click the home button instead. If that doesn't work, you can turn it off through Settings. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, then tap VoiceOver. Turn off the VoiceOver toggle. If VoiceOver is making it difficult to use your iPhone, remember that you need to tap an item once to select it and double tap to activate it. You can also use 3 fingers to scroll. If you accidentally enabled VoiceOver through the Accessibility shortcut, go to Settings again. Tap on Accessibility, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility shortcut, and remove VoiceOver from the selected options. And that's it. You've successfully turned off VoiceOver on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.